In a dusty, dimly lit dorm room at Stanford University, two graduate students were quietly working on a project that no one, not even themselves, knew would one day reshape the entire world. In the late 1990s, the internet was a chaotic library without a proper index. Billions of pages, scattered, unorganized, and nearly impossible to navigate. Larry Page and Sergey Brin wanted to understand this chaos. They wondered whether the web could rank itself, much like academic papers that cite each other. That simple question became the spark that ignited one of the greatest innovations of our time. Their first experiment wasn't called Google. It had a strange name, BackRub. Running on old, recycled computers they collected from around campus, BackRub crawled the web, counted links, and tried to determine which pages carried true importance. To their surprise, it worked far better than they ever imagined. Their algorithm, later famous as PageRank, gave each web page a score based on how many other pages linked to it and, more importantly, how valuable those linking pages were. The idea was revolutionary. Instead of guessing relevance, the web itself would reveal what mattered. Results became cleaner, smarter, and more reliable than anything the early internet had seen. But soon, they realized BackRub had outgrown its name and its origins. Their creation was becoming too good, too accurate, too powerful. They needed a name that reflected the scale of their ambition, organizing a nearly infinite amount of information. Inspired by the word Google, a 1 followed by 100 zeros, they chose a name that symbolized endless knowledge, Google. But the road ahead wasn't easy. They needed funding, hardware, and support. Then came Andy Bechtolsheim, a legendary investor who wrote them a check for $100,000 after a single demo before Google was even officially a company. Their first offices were small, cramped, and even included a borrowed garage, yet the vision growing inside those walls was anything but small. As Google began to spread, users quickly noticed something different. Unlike other search engines of the time, Google didn't drown them in spam, random results, or clutter. It delivered exactly what they needed: fast, clean, and surprisingly accurate. The search engine